Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Japanese buttered corn with rice. It is a delicious speed recipe using a rice cooker. You may want to try. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm going to use my favorite Matsuno shoyu, but any soy sauce is okay. The soy sauce flavor is the key, so it's better to use your favorite one. Remove the husk and silk from the corn. With a knife, slice down along the cob to remove the kernels. Now you need 2 cups of rice using a rice measuring cup. Wash rice for about 3 times. Add water to the level indicated in the pot. Then place the bare corn cobs. They add umami to the rice and make the rice really tasty. Place the pot in the rice cooker and start cooking. While cooking the rice, heat the butter in a pan. Cook the kernels until tender and bright yellow. Then add soy sauce and pan roast until golden brown. Now set aside.
ちょっと待って、ママ味を見てみよう。
どう？美味しい。グーグー。
おいしい。
When the rice is done, remove the corn cobs. Mix in the roasted corns. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Serve in a dish. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
どうでした？
美味しいね。
美味しい。
トウモロコシがいっぱい入ってるね。